If you're looking for a beautiful villa in Portugal that is perfect to live in or rent out, that opportunity is for you. And let me show you why.
Glass break plugs, the floor feels sweet. Side by side, silk on the beat. Tiny bells pop, hats agree. This is us.
This place is totally peaceful, making it ideal as a permanent home or second residency or smart investment opportunity.
Give me more, no big trouble.
The outside area is stunning. You can swim in this big pool and you have this spacious and big area of barbecues.
Moves on me, silk on the beat. Cool low heat together, left, right, left. Repeat, silk on the beat. Cool low heat together, left, right, left. Repeat.
This villa has 4 beautiful suite bedrooms. And from this villa, you have this amazing access to the 50 square meter balcony and rooftop terrace.
Right, left, repeat. Silk on the beat. Silk on beat. On beat.
From this master bedroom, you have access to panoramic sea view. Villa has amazing location. This villa is located only 10 minutes from beautiful town of Loulé.